everyone. So I'm gonna be doing another Webster wig review haul. I know I said last time I wasn't gonna buy any more wigs, but it was a 20% off Labor Day sale, so I couldn't really help it now, could I? I ended up buying 3 more new wigs, and I'm gonna be showing you which wigs I bought, what color and what style and the length. And I'll try them all on at the end, so maybe that way if you guys want to buy wigs from this company or whatever, that'll help you decide which ones to get and which ones will suit you. So the first wig I bought was Amy in Lavender Smoke, and they come in these cute little net bags. Amy in Lavender Smoke, I believe, is 38 inches long. It's the more densest, heaviest, and longest wig I have. It is a black rooted wig, and it has blue as well in the top of it. And then it goes into a lavender gray, and then at the tips it turns white. And this one was 38 inches long, and I think it was about $85, and then plus shipping it came out to about $100. It was a lace front, but I already cut the lace, not very well might I add, because I was kind of in a hurry. These wigs do come with 3 lace clips on the insides, if you can see them. They have one on each side, and then they also have one on the bottom. And they all do come with adjustable straps to fit your head. So that was the first wig I got. It's really pretty, not too shiny as you can see, because I am holding this in natural sunlight. It also comes with a part on the top. I'm gonna put that one to the side. Now the second wig I bought was Ariel in Rooted Pink Ombre, and this one I believe was about 24 inches long. It's got black roots, and it goes into a hot pink and then dips into a very light cotton candy pink at the tips. The style was Ariel, that's why it's got these cute little beach curl mermaid waves. So the last wig I did buy was Kameron in Sea Witch, and it is a rooted black that dips into a mint green and then has a white green tips. They're very loose beach curls, and it is the shortest wig of all the wigs that I own. It's 20 to 22 inches, and I wanted to hate it when I first got it because it was so short, and in the pictures it actually looked like it was going to be longer. But when I saw it in person, it was actually really beautiful, and I'm going to give it a try. I haven't tried these on yet, but hopefully it doesn't look as bad as I think it's going to be because I'm not really used to short hair. So I'm going to try all these wigs on now. I'm going to let you guys decide which one looks the best or which one that you like the best. Alright, so the first wig I decided to try on was the one that I thought I was going to hate the most, but plot twist, I love it. It's Sea Witch in the style Kameron. It's loose curls, and it's 22 inches short. Initially I thought it was going to be super short, like I was going to have some crazy bob or something and I was going to hate it. But it goes to just about above my chest, and it looks really pretty actually. It's soft, it's not too shiny. I'm trying on all these wigs in natural light so you can be the judge of how shiny it is. I think it looks pretty natural for an unnatural color, and I think it's a really good style for my face and shape, and I actually love it. I think it's one of my favorites out of all the wigs that I own so far, but I have yet to try on the other 2, so I'm gonna try those on and then see if this one is still my favorite. Alright, so the next wig I decided to try on was Amy in Lavender Smoke. It is probably the longest wig I own. It is a straight style, and it's 38 inches long, so it falls to just about my hip. I would say it is the heaviest and densest of all the wigs I own, and the longest, so if you're not used to long, heavy, dense hair, I would say this might not be the best first wig for you. But if you're looking for a risk and you really want this type of hair, then I would say go for it, because this wig is very well made. I mean, look at any way you part this, you cannot see the tracks in this wig, which is a very good thing. Also, for a very unnatural color, again, this is very natural. It's not at all shiny. I'm trying these on in natural sunlight, and it doesn't really have a very high sheen to it, which I like, because I don't like to spend a lot of time trying to powder these wigs down to make them look natural. I already like when they already look like that. I would say this is very well made. Came out to about $100 including shipping, but if you're looking for something of high quality, I would say that this is totally worth it, and I would consider buying one of these as your first wig if that's what you're looking for. Also, forgive me, I cut this lace really poorly because I was in a hurry. I'll go back and fix it later. But yeah, I would say if you're looking for a really well-made, nice wig, that this company would probably be one of the best. So I'm gonna try on the last and final wig, but so far so good. Alright, so the sun is going down and this is my last wig. Again, don't judge me. Cut the lace very crappy. I will fix it later. This is the style Rooted Pink Ombre in Kameron. So it's beach curls or sea salt spray waves, however you want to call it. Again, very well made, very nice quality. It's a very unnatural color, but in natural light. Doesn't look at all shiny. And still, any way you part this wig, no tracks, kept up the rooted look underneath, so it makes it look even more natural. It's actually pretty light, not at all heavy, doesn't feel dense, so I would say if this is your kind of look, I would go for it. It looks very Misty Day from Coven, an American Horror Story, which I like. Yeah, I think this one came out to about $60, $70. Again, I'll put the links and the prices below because I'm pretty sure I'm very off. But so far, out of all the wig companies I've tried, this one is definitely the best. If you would like to splurge on one wig, I would say go for it. They're all very well made and they're all pretty and they look natural and you don't really have to do much to them. You can buy them in any style you want and you don't have to style them yourself. So I hope these videos help you guys in choosing a wig that you want, or maybe if you're like unsure or whatever about what wig you want or what company you want to get a wig from. I would say that this would be a good first wig company to buy from. I love them. I buy from them all the time and so far they haven't let me down. So yeah, if you guys like this video or you like the makeup videos that I do, or you just want to see more of me in the future, please like and subscribe to these videos, and I'll be making more in the future, so thanks for watching this far, I guess. The sun's going down. Bye!